Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering the exact items that matter: your photo ID, proof of ownership, and a clear picture of the vehicle. Next, find the VIN and engine number on the chassis. These unique ID link to the registration. Once done, open the official registration portal or call the local transport office. Make sure to use the official channel to avoid confusion. You do this because the vehicle number is tied to these identifiers, and they prove legal ownership when searching records. Now you use the VIN or engine number in the official lookup tool. This is the core step that matches chassis data to registration records. Enter owner details precisely: name, date of birth, and current address, because small mismatches will block the search. Then complete any CAPTCHA or security checks and submit the request. Once submitted, record the reference code you receive. That code lets you track progress, and it speeds up follow-up if the system needs manual verification. Finally, you receive the vehicle number and full registration details. Save a screenshot or download the PDF for your records. Make sure to cross-check the vehicle number against the VIN, owner name, and make/model. This prevents errors when using the number for taxes, insurance, or transfers. If anything is mismatched or missing, contact the transport office immediately and provide the reference code you saved. That single code speeds up corrections and proves you followed the official procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.